Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Michelle. In this video we are going to discuss grading and assessments for the student. So let's log in as a student, and we are here now at the classroom dashboard. If you don't land on the class dashboard, just go up to the upper right corner here where it says classes and click on classes. On your class dashboard you will see a widget called grades, and you can go ahead and click on the grades and it will take you to their class homepage. So right now what you're seeing is the student's overall grade for chemistry. So let's go ahead and click on chemistry, and it takes us directly to the grades for the categories that the student is being graded for from this class. So right now the categories are being weighted. We could see this column, so if your grades are not being weighted you won't see this. And then the grades here are, again, the overall grades. If you want to see individual grading, go to your assignments, and you can see your assignments on the left hand side. To the right, we could see that the first 4 assignments have not been graded yet because it says 21 possible. But this fourth one, Lab 3.1, has been graded, and it's a 20 out of 21, so the student got a 95.2%. If your teacher chooses to assess you throughout the year, you could go under the tab Assessments, and you can see the categories that you're being assessed on. You can see what your rating is and if your teacher leaves any comments. Throughout the year, the teacher may choose to assess the student at various periods to show how they're improving. And under the assessment date here, you can click on the drop down and you can see the various dates when more than one assessment has been put in. If you have any further questions, please talk to your administrator of your website or to your parent.